Okay, this is going to be short and sweet. I've watched a lot of videos on how to make a small DuraFlame log fire starter out of a big DuraFlame log. And I tried them all, but I came across this method. I think maybe this is the easiest way, at least for me. Your experience might be different, but you know, give it a try. So I'm going to show you how I do it, and I hope this can help you. All right, here goes. Okay, here we go. Our friend the DuraFlame. I strip it first completely. Take the wrapper off. Don't need that. I mean, this makes great kindling, by the way. Don't throw it away. Recycle it. Use it. So, set this aside. This is a Fiskars. I don't know what the brand, I don't know what it is, I don't know what it's called, I don't even know why the holes are there. But I found this up in Oregon. And I bought it. It was like 45 bucks. This is a dead blow rubber mallet. It's got sand in the head and steel on both ends. It's going to be destroyed by the time I get done with a full box of DuraFlame logs. But I'll buy another one. They're cheap. Harbor Freight. This is the culprit right here. I've seen people try to saw them. I've hit them with an axe. I've seen them use a sawzall on them. But it's got a weak spot. And that weak spot is right there. Right here. Lay that with the weak spot up on a pretty stable base. Take your Fiskars, start at one end, give it a few good whacks. Move the hatchet, Fiskars back down to the next level, next row of whacks. You hear it loosening up already. And finish it off with a final whacking. Watch what happens. Watch this. Watch this. You can do it, David. You know, might take a few more whackings. Don't overestimate your strength. One more in the center. Two more. There you go. That's what I was looking for. My friends, now you've got something to work with. Lay it flat side down. Get back to your Fiskars and your dead blow. However big you want your pieces to be. Start whacking. That was 5, 6, and continue on like that. You want to cut that in half again? Same procedure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 taps. It splits. Now you've got 2 beautiful pieces of fire starter. Thank you very much. Okay.